translate it?
I think you speak and then I summarize.
Okay, I'll keep it short.
Even if it is long,
Okay.
I have a magnetic mind. I will capture everything.
Okay. Okay. Well, thank you, Minister. And thank you to all the officials and the community members for giving you time and coming out to just welcome us today. It's been beautiful. As the Chief Justice said, it's my first time in Africa. My son and I, it's our first time in Uganda. I have a wife back in America. She wanted to be here. We've been married for 30 years. And we have 2 more children, and one of them is still in school, so we couldn't all travel at this point. But she wanted me to send greetings to everybody, so her name is Linda. Yeah. It's been very interesting for us to learn about the town and the opportunities here. I can't promise you today that we can get started tomorrow, but I can promise that we will continue the conversations with the Chief Justice. We've got, a lot of questions to work through, a lot of things we need to understand in a little bit more detail, but we'll commit to trying to understand those things so we can make the right decisions and decisions that make sense for everybody. It's obviously a big project, and whoever handles this, if it's us or if it's someone else, it needs to be done well, and it needs to be able to see all the way through to the end, and we're very conscious of that because we want the best for the town and the best for the community. So we will commit to spending the time to research and learn more and move as quickly as we can. Yeah. Thank you.
That's all?
That's all.
You may know the no. Arabir ke wore and Muslim and the wore. Mateka mao chal ke dara vimen. Wore arabir ke wore. Me know the no. Take a meto bino. You don't pay. You don't bino. And I made a watch and could be no wino. I saw somebody whispering there, but I'm not going to tell you. They would have been happy if you had come with your wife.
Right. I would too.
But please, by God's grace, when we're breaking the ground,
okay,
she must be here. That's what they are saying.
Okay.
I don't want to know. Guinean, like American, deep big in the TV. And a bit in young dong, the miracle TV. Nano bene che plan, non con che plan ma il genere che con il genere il mio avevo amala. Ana la bank te la bank te. La bank aha. La dite ene wonne yam la rem jawlo luk samere. Che la dite. Jawlo luk samere wonne ay duare kan. Welu diangkai, jomat welu yang talo kampala, talo bor la reme, lu kadung gamo dong. Kalau mau bukan dong gamo ke yang talo dong koga dong donega. Amer dong en engineer, nye Christopher Ebal. Tina man mabe, kai ya ya duare round about ne. Merite round about chino oiriti ader chi tung kuparuche. Gangeno and Kilmegane, with a man of and you go, engineer can sit down. And you go, Germany, and Kita Komukarbidon, Kita Kabed in the Murpet, to be called Combadir, Kita Kabed, don't get it. Tamadira, the Valadito, and Guinea Pig in a teddy, but I'm moving to get to after your name. Gino mama wako kenyo dogo town mokane tinya man na ga muchero gulu restore kaneno town majono geru gulu these people went to restore gulu I'm explaining to them it's not a small project. It's not like something you come and say, oh, tomorrow I'm starting.
Right.
That's what you are saying.
Yeah.
So you have to internalize, you've got to understand the implication, the funds that are going to be put, sustainability, all these things. And I was telling them that we will discuss this, and by God's grace, we will come to an agreeable position. So, la dito ko gini ene kala chu du ye ma dire gene bi cha ke dire pe dire ma chi are yo ke dire wang cha ka wa dire wang cha mo nge ke do nguru pere wi wa lo ku pere yam par ma te yam cha ko gene pato ka no wan pe ngaro wa ti war ko te no mo bere school ke mo ga ka dire cha ke do bu Gimara tu choyo go ma cha lo plan kin ma wala na no cha kana no orlega sama hotel gena loyal o men la ba you go plan enoni unya du ngi unya and you go plan enoni the date be ro penye tamni eni plan pe go ke kan pe dano ma tu kan tamno a ke tuki ka chare ore pe dam mo ber ka kwa di kan yo le yo go yo che school go ber ka te tan keten ni tiro o ber ke gera ye o le go be ni gena te me ka ke charo report ni gini no mera tema jadi won't be the kwara wara male ko kimbo uter ku ade gino mera ke tem ni na rio der ku ade moro tag de te ko kitani ken o ti bina ma be kam ro ene chwala gini ene ameriki ade chwala ko dire pe ko chi ade ti moro ade o yin kar ngio gini mero ero kado con corno daga te makija moro olo ke te makija tim ke daga che lekan ka kumigu moro minu tim ke daga che lekan ata magonya go ven come on go apoyo yeah happy with my translation yes
I'm sure you did a great job.
thank you so